Coral reefs are like underwater cities, bustling with life. They provide homes for countless fish, crabs, and other sea creatures. Look at the amazing fish that call the coral reefs home. Each one has its own colors and patterns, just like a rainbow underwater. But coral reefs are in danger. Pollution and overfishing harm these beautiful habitats. We must protect them to keep this underwater wonderland alive. We can make a difference. Let's all work together to keep our oceans clean and protect these amazing coral reefs for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Remember, by caring for our oceans, we can preserve the beauty of coral reefs and the colorful sea life within.